I haven't been uploading much lately, but I've been building a lot. Hi, I'm Travis Thompson, and this is Thompson Transformations. If you've been following this channel for a while, you'll know it's gone through quite a few different phases. Over the last few years, I've been focused on real projects, feature walls, custom spaces, renovations, basically building every day. I've been filming a lot of it, I just haven't been sharing it consistently. I build these projects every day. Now, I'm just going to bring you along for the process. So moving forward, this channel is going to be about real builds. Start to finish projects, design decisions, problem solving, and what it actually takes to make these spaces come together. Like my business says, dream, design, build. So I'm gonna walk you through every day how I make feature walls, custom installations, custom renovations, and behind the scenes of running a business. Not just the finished result, but the entire process. Right now, I'm just putting together this mantle because the next project is already starting. And I'm really excited about this because this is the direction I've wanted to take the channel for a long time. If you're into learning, building, or just seeing real transformations, stick around and let's get to work. Make sure you hit that subscribe button because in the next video, I'll be taking you through a complete feature wall build.